Motor mouths in music. White would perch so towards her, not worthy countess, whom I put, may this not grieve her forward. And I haven't beheld the earth, for I have the highest branches, provided that it is undertaken by Lady Isabel, somewhat scornfully. May they not ask me for something that would harm her. I love a cattle and a woman. He has more than he needs. So they said last year, but now it doesn't help me at all. For no people agree with each other, and they cross neither bridges nor planks. I ought not to stay back because of cold until I was fighting alone, from which words may each take his command.
The king doesn't long for renown in all appearance, for he cruelly dismisses his fiancée.
King, let a rabid dog
bite him who tells you to stop now in this affair. For I do not consider faithful to you him who keeps you from it by his advice. Rather, he considers you too much of a child.
Courtesy is, because of it, deceit, and baseness, because of it, is spread. And love behaves in an extraordinary fashion. And so that he may not find in it advantage and spin a tale, I leave it thus, for I hear limping words.
I do not part the bitter and the sweet in love, and do not mention the escutcheon and what shines in it.
Indeed, I love by the book a base-born woman, such as this one I am singing about.
I was taken with desire here between Montel and Gourds. May I lose the strength I have in my loins and my liver and my gallbladder, if I have too much gray hair, not to make an attack and bring a claim.
All beds,
they do not make a claim.